What up, YouTube? It's your boy Big Al. Right back at you with another daily edition of a daily vlog. Today is Thursday, March 22nd. Back to work. It's my Monday. Heading out to the shop right now. It's a rainy day schedule today, so things usually slow down a little bit on rainy days. But we'll see what we get into. And but we keep our doors open for you guys out there, workers that leave because it's raining, because it's slow, because your shop closes down because it's raining. Keep it open, guys. That's the #1 rule. Keep your doors open. Your hours are marked. Work your hours. I'll stay with you guys. Stay with me all day today. We're going to get into some stuff today, and we'll see what we can get into. Yep. It's a ugly day out here today. Cali, usually Cali doesn't rain too much, and but when it does rain, it rains pretty good. Today's gonna be rainy day scheduling on, and we're just already talking about that. And guys, if you guys own a shop and it rains and you guys just close it up, you guys are missing out on customers, because there's always customers that come in even though it rains. Bad business. Bad business to close early. It's bad business to open up late. So that's something that everybody needs to work on. Some barbers, I noticed, especially young barbers lately, they tend to be very lackadaisical. Like they think that this is not a regular job and they can show up whenever they want, and that's the least way you can impress your boss. Remember that, guys. At least way you can impress your boss. You want to impress your shop owner? Show up on time. Be there early. Be there before he does. Right now, I'm going to head into my shop, and I got 2 guys already there ahead of me. So that's the kind of stuff. And I'm going in, and I'm still going in 20 minutes early. We opened at 9. It's 8:40, and I already got 2 barbers there. Those guys are always there early, but that's why they're the top earners, because they get there and they do the footwork and they do it. That's how it is, guys. That's what you guys got to do. You guys got to get up early. Now, I'm not talking 15 minutes before it's time to leave. I'm talking about get up an hour and a half before it's time to leave. Drink some coffee, take a shower, put some deodorant on, wash your ass. Nobody wants to smell you at the shop. Nobody. That's one of the things of being a barber. You gotta get up and tidy yourself up and get ready for that day. Assortment of coffees for the boys.
Then I fade just like then I fade just like amongst me. Then I fade just like then I fade just like amongst me. Maybe we're water and this is all so, though it never happened, it tears us apart. Maybe we're water and this is all so, though it never happened, it tears us apart. Then I feel just like then I feel just like amongst me. Then I feel just like Then I say just like a a monster in me. Maybe we're water and this is all so. Though it never happened, it tears us apart. Maybe we're water and this is all so. Though it never happened, it tears us apart. Then I think it's like then I say just like
Thank you, bro.